Energy efficiency is a growing priority for Pell City homeowners, and for good reason. With hot, humid summers and mild but sometimes chilly winters, keeping indoor temperatures comfortable without overworking HVAC systems can be a challenge. One of the most effective yet often overlooked upgrades for improving efficiency is choosing the right window style. Casement windows stand out as a smart solution, helping Pell City homes save energy while enhancing comfort and everyday performance. Here's how casement windows contribute to real, long-term energy savings. A tighter seal that reduces air leaks. One of the biggest causes of energy loss in homes is air leakage around windows. Casement windows are hinged on the side and close by pressing tightly against the frame when locked. This creates a compression seal that is stronger than many other window styles. For Pell City homeowners, this means fewer drafts during cooler months, less hot, humid air entering during summer, more consistent indoor temperatures, reduced strain on heating and cooling systems. The tight seal plays a major role in lowering monthly energy costs. Improved cooling efficiency during hot summers. Pell City summers can be long and humid, making efficient cooling essential. Casement windows are designed to open outward, allowing them to catch breezes and funnel fresh air directly into the home. This natural ventilation helps cool indoor spaces without relying solely on AC. Release trapped heat more efficiently, improve airflow in living areas and bedrooms, reduce overall energy consumption. Using outdoor air when conditions allow can noticeably cut cooling costs. Energy-efficient glass enhances performance. Modern casement windows are typically paired with advanced glass technology that further boosts efficiency. These glass options are especially valuable in Pell City's climate. Common features include double or triple pane insulated glass, low-E coatings that reflect heat, argon gas fills that reduce heat transfer together. These features help keep cool air inside during summer and warm air inside during winter, improving comfort year-round. Strong insulation without sacrificing natural light. Casement windows often feature large, unobstructed glass areas that allow plenty of daylight into the home. Natural light reduces the need for artificial lighting, which also contributes to energy savings. Benefits include brighter interiors throughout the day, reduced electricity usage for lighting, improved indoor comfort and ambiance. Pell City homeowners enjoy energy efficiency without compromising brightness or views. Reduced humidity intrusion for better comfort. Humidity can make homes feel warmer than they actually are, increasing reliance on air conditioning. Because casement windows seal so tightly when closed, they help keep excess moisture outside. This results in more comfortable indoor air, reduced workload on HVAC system, better indoor air quality, less risk of moisture-related issues. Managing humidity effectively supports both comfort and efficiency. Durable frames that maintain efficiency over time. Casement windows are available in frame materials designed to hold up in Pell City's climate without warping or breaking down. Popular options include vinyl frames for excellent insulation and low-maintenance, fiberglass frames for strength and stability, composite materials engineered for energy performance. Durable frames help maintain tight seals year after year, preserving energy savings long-term. Professional installation maximizes energy benefits. Even the most energy-efficient casement window won't perform as intended without proper installation. Professional installation ensures accurate fitting within the opening, complete insulation around the frame, secure sealing against air and moisture leaks. This step is critical for achieving maximum energy efficiency and protecting your investment. A smart energy-saving choice for Pell City homes. Casement windows offer Pell City homeowners a powerful combination of tight sealing, efficient ventilation, advanced glass technology, and durable construction. Together, these features significantly reduce energy loss and help lower heating and cooling costs. If you're looking to improve comfort and save on energy bills, casement windows are a smart, practical upgrade that delivers lasting benefits for your Pell City home, season after season.